Welcome to Crash Course Hotels.
Today's Crash Course Hotel is the Holiday Inn Express in Rayong, Thailand. Here you can see we have a small lobby when you first step in. They use more of the space for the bar area down here. Can't blame them. Nice little bar area. Plenty of seating at the bar as well as tables around. Let's go take a look at the room. Starting out, we can see we've got the little tea and coffee setup. They, of course, give you 2 bottled waters every day. There you have the safe as well as the mini fridge. Next to that, you have the closet. They give you a few hangers and, of course, somewhere to put your luggage. Stepping into the room, you have this little couch in the corner. It was pretty comfy. Here's the view from the couch. You can sit here and watch TV, no problem. You can see that you do have the desk area up there by the TV. You have that little table by the couch. Nothing fancy, but a very functional space. Let's take a look at the bathroom. I'd say the sink here is rather small. No problems here in the stand-up shower. And there you have the typical toilet for Southeast Asia with a bum gun. Outside the hotel, they do have this seating area. It was mainly used by smokers, though I did see some people come out here and eat dinner in the evening. So always nice to have a little bit of space outside.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review.
Here's the gym. On the smaller side for sure, but it did get plenty of use. I came down here every day and used the elliptical, and I ran into other guests using it as well. So here's the pool. Nice little pool setup. This is on the same floor along with the gym and the laundry. There is also a children's play area next to the laundry. Here you see the shower before you step into the pool. The pool area usually was pretty quiet during my stay. I only saw a few guests utilizing it, so you can knock yourself out. They have plenty of seating over here next to the pool. And over here you can see that we have a little kiddie pool area. Here's the laundry room, 2 washers, 2 dryers. I did make use of this during the stay. Everything was functional. And they do have a couple ironing boards as well as irons for you to use as well. The underrated amenity. All right, let's take a look at breakfast. Going through, you got your toast, gotta have the coffee, of course. You have a variety of hot food. They changed that out, of course, and you can see different dishes that were offered. You got your chicken sausage and chicken ham, of course, some sunny side up eggs, as well as boiled eggs. The salad was always good at this location. Had quite a few while I stayed here. Here's the juices. I'm going to leave you with what ended up being my favorite part of this stay. But we're going to head down and take a look at this little market.
I already cheated a little bit and ate when I was downstairs, and I forgot that I was going to bring stuff up and record it for you, but whatever. We did get some stuff to try back here, so I had a beef skewer downstairs. It was pretty good. My watermelon drink came with this ridiculous lid, which actually serves as a bowl for additional watermelon. I probably could have just got it with the drink, but you know, that's the risk you run when you don't understand what's on the sign. You're just like, yeah, I want some of that. Because I'm pretty sure, like, I told her that accidentally when ordering. But whatever, a little watermelon's not going to hurt me. I literally eat watermelon all the time, almost on a daily basis nowadays. Got some beetroot juice. I always like beetroot for my, or at least the powder for my blood pressure. It helps my blood pressure out. I've got a pork skewer that we're about to try. And I got a chicken kebab that, I'll tell you what, if it tastes half as good as it smells, we're going to be in for a treat. So this is a pork kebab. Yeah, that's good. Very good, very good. Good sauce on the meat. The beef skewer was the same way. See, we got some chili here. Not too hot. The beef skewer was good, but I'll give these pork skewers a little bit of higher grade. Maybe the beef was like a 7.5. This is like an 8.5. Get it all over my face, of course, like an idiot. Somehow, even though I only had one thing downstairs, I still got something on my shirt. That was brilliant. Okay, that pork skewer was definitely worth the money. I want to say it was 20 baht. If we're still hungry, I'm going to let all this settle, but if we're still hungry, I could see grabbing one of those again. I'm hoping they're open again tomorrow night, too. We'll see if it's just a Friday night thing or whether it's Friday and Saturday night. But I'll be here next week at the same hotel, so if nothing else, we'll get it again next weekend. But if they're open again tomorrow night, we'll run down there and support the local businesses. They all seem like small, vendors. Nobody looked like they were some kind of corporation or anything, so pretty happy supporting local business. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, the girl asked me if I wanted spicy. I could tell she was hesitant. I was like, yes, please, please. That is, it's very good. It's like with a cabbage, some cucumber, and some carrot, a mayo sauce, and a spicy hot sauce. Pretty good combination, to be honest with you. This was 60 baht, so a little less than $2, but I'd say definitely worth it. Very good. Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.